Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having a great day. I'm super excited. I got all these boxes in the mail and I couldn't help but open just one today. I have to do another. So I'm opening my Sephora Play. So I think I know the variation. So the variation number should be 707. I believe it's the last 3 digits of your cost center number. Correct me if I am wrong. I know there's another way to look online, but right now, I just am a little too lazy. So if you are unfamiliar with Sephora Play, this is obviously by the beauty company Sephora, and it is a beauty subscription. It is $10 per month, and you get 6 items each month. You get 5 like deluxe size samples, and then you always get a bonus, which is generally like a perfume sample or a foil packet. So everything that is in here is, like I said, sample size, and it's carried in Sephora, which is a great way to try things out. So if you like anything you get in your box, you know that you can get it at your local Sephora or online. When I open up the box, this is what I see. So there's always a large printout on top, and it looks like, oh, there's a little cat on it. So there's always some Sephora points on here, the Beauty Insider points, 50 of them. And look how cute, there's a little kitty on it. I think there's cats like all over it. Let's pull this open. So there's gonna be a theme. So there's always a theme, and it looks like it is Beauty in Bloom. So it is a spring theme, which I love. It's also a happy time of year when it's spring. So it says, step into spring with tips and tricks that are perfect for this season's budding beauty. And then I won't read all of it to you, but I'll give you some of the things it says. It says, lighten and brighten, spring clean your skin, say hello to sun, master second day hair, and kick up the color. This is so, I think the graphics are so cute. So if you felt like reading any of these tips, I'll hold this just for a moment. Let's see, where are the other ones? But I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to hear me just blabber on. Before we get into the contents, I want to remind you that I have a giveaway ending on the 20th, tomorrow. So if you have not yet entered, that link will be down below. I am giving away one of the ABH Riviera palettes. This one is mine, but I have a brand new one to give away. So yeah, definitely check that out if you're interested. So the contents of the Sephora Play come in this bag, and I honestly don't know what I'm getting besides glancing quick right now. Sometimes you get like sneak peeks online. I don't know if you can ever go online and like see your full reveal. I know some things like Ipsy does that, but honestly, besides looking at it right now, I do not know what comes in it. So this is like a resealable plastic bag, but it's so full right now you can't even seal it. So if you want to use this, you can. They used to send them like canvas bags with it, but I don't mind getting in this. And honestly, I usually recycle it. I am going to pull out the first thing I see, and I'm also going to flip over this piece of paper because it talks about all of the items in more depth. It does not give any pricing or anything like that, but it gives you like some details about the item and some tips. So the first thing I see I really like, I have used before. This is by Amica, their Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I think their packaging is just so cute, and I could always use more dry shampoo. So, and this smells amazing. Let's see what it says about it. It says, spring is in the hair. An oil-absorbing spray that instantly refreshes hair and adds volume. Why it's a spring must-have. The quick no-wash cleanser is a perfect match for your second day hair. It leaves strands soft, smooth, and volumized, plus the scent is oh so fresh. How to use. Shake the spray, then hold it 10 to 12 inches away from your hair and apply to the roots before brushing through. You know, I don't think I ever put it that far from my hair. I'm probably like a 6-inch away. Like, is that really bad for you if you don't do it 10 inches away? Let me know if that's bad. But anyways, next thing I see is by NARS. Oh my god, it's a bronzer. I was saying how I want more bronzers in my boxes. This is awesome. I mean, NARS is not cruelty free, so I would never go out and purchase them myself, but I'm fine getting this. I don't think I've ever, okay, I've gotten like a NARS lippy maybe before. I can't remember, and I don't know what happened to it if I did. So let me get this out of the packaging. It's taking me a second. Okay, so it comes in that classic NARS packaging in black and white. It feels kind of nice. So this is what it looks like, and this is in the shade Laguna. So let's see, hopefully it's not too dark for me. So when you open up, there's a teeny mirror that's really cute. And then there's a little covering that says NARS on it, a little protector. See if I can get that out. Alright, so this is the shade which I think will be perfect for my complexion. I am going to swatch it. I am so excited. I know if you've been following my channel, I said I want to try more bronzers and I never get them in my subscriptions. And yeah, I've got one. So look at that, like it's light, but it's perfect for my skin tone. I'm super excited. And things like this, like sure this is a sample, but powders, I've never like finished one. Like I had the Hoola by Benefit bronzer in a sample and I didn't even come close to panning that. The only reason why I don't have it anymore is because I gave it to my mom because she really liked it. So this says Golden Hour Glow, NARS Bronzing Powder in Laguna, a buildable powder bronzer that delivers a radiant look with a soft shimmering finish. Why it's a spring must-have. Spring has just arrived, so you're probably still working on that natural sun-kissed radiance. Until you get it, this bronzer has you covered and is ideal for adding warmth to your complexion and contouring. How to use. Use a brush and sweep from the temple across the cheek and across the jawline. I'm so happy with this. I can't believe that it's light enough for my pale complexion. This is awesome. The next thing I see is a mascara, and this is by Sephora. This is the Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. It says instantly amp up lashes for big volume. Saturated black pigments plus polymers make lashes appear thicker and bolder. Nourishing jojoba seed oil, and helps prevent clumping and flaking. So I'm not going to open this up, but it does have a picture of the wand on there. I have opened up so many mascaras, and once you open them, that like shelf life starts ticking. So I'm gonna hold off on opening it, but I'm always happy to get new makeup. So let's read about it. It says a defining moment. This is a Sephora exclusive, obviously. A full volume mascara that coats lashes in a saturated black shade. Why it's a spring must-have. Get lashes that look thicker and bolder with this buildable mascara that provides maximum definition. Plus, it uses jojoba oil, which prevents flaking, smudging, or clumping. How to use. Wiggle the brush at the roots of lashes, then pull through to coat tips. Repeat as desired. Awesome. Looks like we got another hair item. This is Triple Sec 3-in-1 by Drybar. I've used Drybar dry shampoo before, but I don't think I've ever used any other items. So what is this? So it texturizes, amplifies, refreshes. Shake extremely well. Spray 4 to 6 inches from your dry hair. So I guess that's okay to be that close. Cool. So it adds texture. Let's read about it. So it's 3, 2, 1, lift off. A weightless dry spray that delivers texture, volume, and body. I need all of the above. Why it's a spring must-have. This spray is an instant refresher for your hair. Flat strands will get a dose of volume for a tousled look, plus the formula absorbs light oil so second or third day hair will feel fresh and clean. How to use. Shake well, then hold 4 to 6 inches away from dry strands. Tip, for added fullness, spray with your hair flipped upside down. Awesome, I'm excited to get this. Next thing I see is by Supergoop. This is the Unseen Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum, SPF 40, water and sweat resistant, and it says 40 minutes in parentheses. And living in Florida, I mean, today is super cloudy, but it's only a day in forever that's been rainy. I need stuff like this. I actually use this stuff, so I'm super excited. And soon, everywhere else will get warm and sunny again. Don't worry, it's gotta come soon, right? So this is an award-winning item. It says, an invisible, weightless, scentless sunscreen that provides broad spectrum SPF 40 protection. Why it's a spring must-have. This innovative sunscreen uses a unique oil-free formula that easily glides onto skin. Plus it provides shine control and delivers a velvety, makeup gripping finish. How to use. Apply a dime-sized amount after your skincare routine and before putting on makeup. Tip, don't forget to reapply every 2 hours. Okay, awesome. I will probably start using this like right away because a lot of stuff I have like already, it's only like SPF 25. I actually had SPF 40 lotion, face lotion, but I'm out of it, so yay. Okay, there's one more thing, and this will be the bonus item, which is a perfume. This is the Versace Bright Crystal. So here is the paper packaging that comes with it. Oh, look cute, it's pink. So you can't see how much comes in here because it is a pink color, but I clearly love the pink. And it says it's in the flower, fruity, and musk family. So there's notes of iced accord, peony, acahu, or I don't know what that is, musk, vegetal amber, lotus flower, magnolia, pomegranate, and zuzu. Let's spray it. I don't think I have any perfume on. Hopefully I like it. It smells good. It's very light. Let's see how they describe it, since I'm not good at describing scents. So it says, this month's bonus, hit the right note. Versace Bright Crystal. This fresh, sensual blend begins with pomegranate and ends with warm notes of musk and amber. Versace's fashionable fragrances match its runway creations with chic, natural, refined scents that are feminine, sexy, and glamorous. So it's in the floral family. The top note is iced accord. What is that anyway? Middle note pomegranate, base note peony. So yeah, this smells really good. And it definitely has a spring vibe. So they did a good job with like the spring theme. So let's go over what I got. Of course, we got the perfume I just opened. And what I am the most excited about is a bronzer by NARS. I'm so excited to try this out because it seems like it will be a great shade match for me. Sunscreen, which I need, like I actually will start using that right away. Dry shampoo from a brand I love, yes. And I do need some texture in my hair and some volume, and what else did it say? Texture, volume, and body? Yes, yes, yes. So and mascara, which I'll use eventually. So I think this was a great month. I mean, the bronzer totally stole the show, but I'm excited about everything. Even the perfume smells really good. I don't know. I think this is a good month. I think Sephora, like when I first subscribed, it was like pretty good, it was okay, but it keeps getting better. Do you guys feel the same way? I feel like a lot of boxes in general are getting better, which is great. I don't know if they're like getting more personalized from like shopping on Sephora or what, but anyways, you guys have to let me know what you get. I know there's a lot of variations with this box, and I haven't watched any videos yet because I'm trying to be better about watching any spoilers and all of that, so my unboxings can be a surprise. So yeah, let me know what you got. But before I let you go, of course I have to tell you what's on my eyes, and I did a boring look again today, my go-to neutral type of look. So it's just slightly different than what I've been doing for my neutral looks. So I used my favorite mustard shade Cabana in my crease. And then I used Coastline like a little bit lower in the crease and then on the outer edges. And then I just patted Yacht, this pretty shimmer, on my lid. So that is that. I think this is awesome. So it's super bright palette, but you can also do neutral looks with it. So I'm loving it. So I'm so excited for one of you guys to win it. So I will leave the link to Sephora Play in the description box below along with the giveaway video. So thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.